Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away Tech Everything, and today another unboxing video, and soon I'll be reviewing this Haylou GT1. This is a true wireless earphone and it is made in China. It's a Chinese brand. At the back you can see the spec. Okay, so that's the spec. You can pause it if you want to read it. And I choose the black one. And I've been needed true wireless earphone for quite a while. It's just that it's too expensive, and right now I finally found an alternative to Airpods. This is way cheaper than Airpods, but is the quality better than that? And this is just a first hands-on. I'm gonna unbox right now. So just unbox it, same as usual. I don't want to damage it. Okay. Okay, finally. Okay, just gonna slide it out. Okay, so the box, very simple. Okay, you're just gonna push it out from the top, and you can see the box right now. Okay, let me figure out where's. Oh, okay. So took me a few seconds to figure out how to open it. Okay, now we are in the box. Okay, very simple. It's a paper cardboard kind of design, and this is a soft cushion. So this is the wireless earphone itself, Haylou. You can see the logo at the back, the ACC or the ACC apply logo in front. Using a micro USB, not USB-C. Yeah. So this is the case itself. It's not very smooth when you want to close it. It's not like the AirPod, you know, that very smooth transition, like the closing. Yeah, but it's okay. Consider for the price. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, you get instruction guide in Mandarin. Sorry about that. You can take a look in Mandarin. Okay, at the back. Oh yeah. Do have English text for you to read. Yep. To learn how to pair it. Because I watched some of the review, they say the wireless pairing issue, yeah, and can be fixed very easily by just looking through the instruction guide. So no big deal. I hope that this model doesn't have that problem. So it comes with a micro USB cable. Yeah, unfortunately it's not USB-C. I mean, they tried to lower down the cost. That's why they put micro USB. And this is some extra ear tips, different size, small and large. Yep, nothing special here. So I forgot that my phone is charging right now, so I'm gonna use my iPad to connect the Bluetooth true wireless earphones, the Haylou GT1. So to connect, you just turn on, like flip on the case, and then you take it out, and yeah, you press, and you can see the LED light is flashing right now. Okay, so I'm gonna connect first. Press. So for one tap, play. Another tap, pause. So if you want to skip song, you play first. Double tap, you skip song. So if you want to go previous song, you go to your left. Double tap on the left earpiece is go to previous song. Yeah, double tap. So if you want to use the voice assistant, you press 3 times. Press 3 times, and then Siri will come out, or Google voice assistant, whatever. And if you want to answer the call, you press twice. and then you answer the call, end the call, press twice again, so you don't have to worry if you accidentally press once and then you ended the call or pick up the call. Yeah, you have to press twice. That's pretty simple, and it's running Bluetooth 5.0, so you have a much longer range and much more stable wireless performance. And I can hardly hear any noises except my own voice. The earpiece design pretty much block out the excess noise from outside, which is good if you want to enjoy your music, and if you like walking alone, have to be careful. And right now I'm gonna play some song just to test it out. Okay, let's try Night Fever, a very classic from Bee Gees. Okay. The vocal is quite clear. The bass not too bad. It's not very strong like the Sony extra bass, but it's there. The mid-tone kind of not too strong. Just now when I play the song, there's some stutter there. I don't know why. And now okay. Nothing. I think it's once a while. Not bad, not too bad. Let me try other song. A more contemporary one, like Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. Oh. Okay, now the bass is very noticeable. It's a bit stronger than the Night Fever. Yeah. The bass is strong. Yeah, for song like Bad Guys, yeah, the bass is really strong. Like, whoa. If you like this kind of song like Bad Guy, this earphone is really good for the bass. Yeah, the vocal for this song is quite clear. Yeah. I think depends on the type of song you're playing. This is my conclusion. It works better with contemporary music, like the more active type. Yeah, I'm not really an audiophile, but I can hear the difference. For the old songs like 70s, 80s, yeah, it's kind of flat. And that's my hands-on and first impression unboxing of this Haylou GT1. For the in-depth review I'm will be doing, I'm not sure when, but pretty soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to give the thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell icon if you want to get more video like this, notification. Yeah, comment down in the comment section below, share it to your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.